Okay, for this section, we only have a couple cards. The first one is AA similarity, which stands for angle similarity. And it's when two triangles have congruent angles, then they are similar. So if you have two congruent angles, then you know that they're going to be similar. So since I have A is congruent to D and B is congruent to E, then the triangles have to be similar. So in our previous lesson, we had to have 3 equal angles and proportional sides. Now we're learning that if you have just 2 equal angles, that the triangles are similar. The next one we have, remember, is vertical angles. You're going to look for vertical angles a lot, so I just wanted to give you an example so you could see. Remember, non-adjacent angles made by vertex. So you have A is congruent to B. So sometimes you're going to have triangles that have vertical angles. And so you'll have to remember, oh yeah, those angles are vertical. So that's one set of my congruent angles. The other thing that you need to look for when proving triangles are congruent or not congruent, similar, is corresponding angles. And so remember, if they're in the same location, then they are equal. So this is in the same idea. If you have triangles similar to that, if you have angles in the same location on parallel lines, then they're equal, and so that counts as one of the angles. So the main keyword we had was similarity. But then remember, when you're looking for similar triangles, when you have to have 2 sets of equal angles, look for vertical angles and corresponding angles, and that will help you find out if the triangles are similar.